Hello my friends! Today we will learn to draw a bird. Take a black marker. We start drawing from the head. We draw two feathers sticking out on the good. Next, we continue on the body and finish the tail with paws. The bird needs to finish its wing. Without it, it will not be able to fly. Draw a beak and eyes. We will some places to improve them. And let's start drawing a branch with leaves on which a bird is sitting. We begin to paint the back with a yellow color and shadow with an orange marker. Tear the leaves with a green marker and add a green marker with a light green one. Paws are painted brown. Let's paint the tips on the wing and the tail blue. We divide the branch with the stem color and legs and add the texture of the tree with a black marker. Let's color the whole bird in blue. That's it, we're done. Like and subscribe to our channel.